How's it going today, guys? Trucks with Water here, and today's video is going to be an update on the K1500, my 1996 Chevy K1500 Silverado. I haven't done one of these in a while. I've been traveling, doing events, doing stuff like that, but we're going to get right into it. But first I want to say thank you all so much for 3,000 plus subs. It's unfreaking real the support you all give me. I cannot be any more grateful for everything you all do for me. But we'll get right into this video. So, as the title suggested, this is the good, bad, and the ugly when it comes to K1500 at the moment. So we'll start out with the ugly. Well, y'all knew I had a crack in the windshield to begin with coming back from Harper Tire, and I got my wheels and tires put on my truck. As you can see, right here is a crack right there. Well, the other day I was coming home from work on the interstate, and some not so nice person, we'll put it like that, didn't clean out the bed of their truck, was throwing stuff all over the daggum interstate, and something fell out of his truck, like a concrete bag or something with a rock in it, and freaking hit my windshield right here. And as you can see, it's got a big circle crack in it now, so I definitely got to get the windshield replaced. The reason why I was on the fence about it first was because it's the original windshield on the truck, and that's just a hairline crack in the windshield. I'm not too worried about that. That's pretty much all the way through. So I've got to get that windshield replaced now. Other things on the truck I gotta fix. The ugly part, of course, still gotta fix the trim mold, which pretty much I'm just gonna get this all removed anyways. And got some questions for you all out there who are paint and body guys. Right here and a little bit of other spots on the truck, it's starting to bubble up. The paint is a little bit. Now when I crawl underneath it and look at it from the back, there's no rust, there's no anything like that, no indication of rust, and you see one has already popped right here, and it looks like it's just like the paint kind of bubbling up from the heat or something, or a bad paint job from the factory. I am getting the truck paint corrected, dent removed and stuff like that, because I had two little hairline door dings in the side of my truck from someone at work that wouldn't freaking admit to it. Guys, be honest with, like, if you've done something wrong, it goes a really long way. Other than those things about the truck, that's pretty much going on. So the bad part is coming back from Daytona. My check engine light did come back on. Catalytic converters, of course. I don't know what I'm going to do because I still want to do the motor swap in the truck, so I really don't want to spend a crap ton of money on the daggum exhaust because it's an exhaust. And I really don't want to do that. But that's what's kind of going on with the bad part of the truck. Now the good part. Modifications are coming back to the truck. I know I stopped for about 2-ish months or so because I've been really busy with college work and traveling for events and stuff like that, but modifications are coming back. I've got some things in my checkout list on Amazon right now. They're probably going to be coming in the next 2 weeks or so. I'm going to be ordering them, but a lot of you has been begging for this for a while. And this, no, it's not window tint, but when I get the windshield replaced, I will do window tint on the truck. I'm going to do a 5% strip across the top, 5% on the sides, 5% on this side, and 5% on the back. I know it's illegal, guys. I know you're probably going to say you're going to get caught and get a ticket or whatnot. I'd rather take that risk due to the fact that it's for safety. I do not want, you know, it's just for the safety aspect of the truck. But yes, modifications are coming back, though. We got, you know, the bed rail and all this stuff like I talked about, doing the bed stuff, and we got doing the front end stuff too on the truck. Comment down below what you think I'm going to start out with first. Yeah, it's good. The truck is coming along great. I can't be any happier with it. It's got 226,000 miles on or something. I need to check the odometer real quick. I should probably do that right now. Let's see here, how many miles are on the truck? Sorry, 227. Yeah, so she's got a good amount of mileage on her. Knock on truck, she's running fantastic. People have been asking me also what the MPG is on the new setup on the wheels and tires. Now, I know it will change once I get the catalytic converter fixed and get the O2 sensors fixed in the truck. I think that's what the main problem is. The O2 sensors are gone bad in the exhaust. But anyways, running around town and on back roads, I get about 13, 14 MPG. If I'm going, like I went to Daytona or I went to Nashville, I was running about 15, 16. The reason why is my stock original tires and wheels maybe weighed 50 freaking pounds. They weighed nothing. These now weigh about 120 to 140 pounds apiece. That adds in a lot of extra weight this truck has to lug around. But my let's see here, how fast it goes, like how accurate the speedometer is, it's only about a mile per hour off. So it didn't really change anything like that, because I went from a 31-inch tire to a 32-inch, 33-ish is in the borderline between 32 and 33. But yeah, it didn't change much on that. Ride quality, like I said before, truck rides a lot. It's more stiff, I could put it with, because of the wider wheels and tires. But other than that, it rides really, really well. We did rolling shots in Mexico at Adrenaline Show, coming back with Kenny from Tennessee Diesel Mafia. We did rolling shots like 90, 95 miles an hour in this truck, and it rode butterly smooth. That's what I mean, guys, when I say maintenance and preventive maintenance is key. I had the truck in the shop for before Daytona just to make sure everything looked good. And the only thing they could come back with, again, knock on truck. The only thing they could come back with is freaking balancing the wheels and tires. That was it. I mean, that is a testament to like you taking care of your vehicle. And people ask all the time, why don't you take it off-road? Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? And I understand that. It's a 4x4 truck, you know. I used to be that 16, 17-year-old kid that wanted to take his truck off-road and go through the mud holes. But guys, in all honesty, it's not worth it on your daily driver. Because no matter how good you wash a truck, no matter how well you get up underneath with a pressure washer and you go to town on the truck, there's always going to be dirt, there's always going to be mud, there's always going to be stuff caked underneath there, and it'll rot these trucks out real quick. Plus, it gets in your CV joints, your axle housings and stuff like that, and any joint and crevice that the mud and sand and dirt can get into, it'll get into, and it will destroy it prematurely. That's why when you saw me back from Daytona, I was up underneath with the pressure washer trying to get everything out. I knew I wasn't going to get everything out, but it helps. But that's why I don't do it very often either, except once a year when I go down to Daytona, I'll drive on the beach. But that's what's going on with the K1500 right now, guys. A lot of you asking if I'm changing the tow mirrors. Yes, that is also getting changed out. After I do the front end, I'm going to do the 2015 style tow mirrors, color match the truck. I'm thinking putting LED pods in the middle of the two bracks, or not the brackets, the two like little cross member thingies. I forgot what you call these things. For some reason, putting an LED pod in here so I have some extra lighting on the truck. But again, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, join the family. It keeps constantly growing. Every day we're adding new people to the channel. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, comment them down in the video or DM me on Instagram. Make sure you follow my Instagram for updates on truck meets, convoys, and stuff like that, and other people's trucks. Anything like that. But thank you all so much for watching. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.